Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Lindsay, and in this video I'm going to share with you 6 ways that you can actually make money with TikTok. So on this channel I did a video about this before where I share 4 different ways that you can actually leverage TikTok so that way you can actually earn more income. Now since I made that video, TikTok has completely exploded. It's all over the place. I have become a huge fan of it, and I actually spend countless hours on this particular app because it's very enjoyable to be on. And then also, if you look at it from the business side of it, it's a great way to actually reach a lot of people in a short amount of time. So again, in this video, I'm going to share with you 6 ways that you can actually make money with the TikTok app in order to earn more income, to build your brand, or whatever the case may be for your business. Now, if you're new to this channel, my name is Lindsay, and on this channel, I share with you guys tips and strategies on how you can earn income from home. Now, if those type of topics interest you, make sure you go underneath this video, hit that subscribe button, also hit that notification bell, so that we can get updates when I do videos like this onto YouTube. And then also, comment below. Let me know what your username is on TikTok. Let's go ahead, let's share, let's connect with other people on this particular app so that way we can help each other grow. So let's go ahead, let's dive into the content, and let me share with you again the 6 ways that you can make money with the TikTok app. So the first way that I want to share with you guys, and it's the obvious way, is with affiliate marketing. So with affiliate marketing, we're simply promoting other people's products, and whenever somebody purchases that product, we can earn a commission. So if you're brand new to the online marketing space or making money online, this is a great way to get started because you don't have to create your own product. Everything is already created for you. You don't have to deal with customer service or anything like that. Your only purpose is pretty much with affiliate marketing is to get a lot of eyeballs or get a lot of people to visit your affiliate link, which is coded to you. And again, if somebody clicks on your link and purchases that product that you're promoting, then guess what? You will earn a commission. Now, how people are actually doing this on TikTok is a wonderful example is they're actually affiliates for Amazon. So they go to Amazon.com, they become an affiliate for free, and most affiliate programs are free. All you have to do is just create an account. And what they do on TikTok is they do where they have accounts where they do Amazon finds. So what they do is they actually showcase some products, do a short review of the product, what it does, its features, and then if somebody goes and clicks on the actual bio, it will take them to the actual Amazon store for the actual person of that TikTok account. And if somebody purchases something from their store, they earn a commission. And even if somebody doesn't purchase something from their store and they just purchase something else on Amazon within those 24 hours of clicking that link, that person will still be able to earn a commission. So that's a great way that you can actually get started. So with affiliate marketing, again, what you want to do is you want to first find a niche. So either you have like an Amazon store, or maybe you create a page about making money online, or you create a page about law of attraction. And what you want to do on these pages is you want to focus on building up large audiences on these accounts. You want to create content every single day, build up those audiences, and then you want to include a link to your affiliate link or to your Amazon store or whatever in your bio, so that way people can actually click on that information, click on that link, and they can actually join or sign up or whatever it is that you're promoting with your affiliate link. Now the next one is brand deals and sponsorships. So this is something that's already being done on like Instagram as well as YouTube, and they're just pretty much doing the same thing when it comes to TikTok. If you have a large enough audience and you're actually building up that audience, you're posting on a consistent basis, brands will actually reach out to you to do sponsorships and things like that. So what you want to do is you want to make sure that you create a separate email account just for your business email, and you want to include that information in your bio. The reason why you want to do this is because, again, if a brand wants to reach out to you to promote their product, they need a way to actually contact you, okay? So what you want to do is, again, include a business email saying that you, for business inquiries, include that information on your bio so that way brands can reach out to you. If you have a small account with TikTok, what you can do is you can go to sites like tinysponsor.com. On this site, we can see we have influencers from Instagram as well as TikTok. Now on here, when somebody wants to find out information about a particular creator, all they have to do is just click on their information. They'll let you know what their reach is, what their demographic is, and how much they charge per post. So again, you have big influencers over here as well, and then you also have TikTok accounts that are smaller, but they also are able to earn money per post, even if it's just $20 or something like that. So you can join websites like this, create an account, update your information on here so that way brands can actually reach out to you so you can actually promote their products on your TikTok. Now the next one is e-commerce. So it's going to be similar to what I talked about earlier with affiliate marketing, but with e-commerce, it is your own store, so you have the potential to earn more money using this strategy. So again, if you already have an online store through Shopify, WooCommerce, or something like that, what you want to do is, again, similar to Amazon products or the Amazon finds, you want to, on your account, do reviews of products that are in your store, let people know the benefits, the features, why they may need it, and then you also want to include a link to your store in your bio, so that way people can go visit your store and purchase those items from your Shopify store. Now the next way is through the TikTok Creator Fund. Now this was just launched about a few months ago, or maybe like I think the end of July. And with this fund, it already has been funded with $200 million, and they plan on to increase it up to $1 billion in the next 3 years. Now you do have to meet some certain requirements to even apply to become a part of the Creator Fund. So one, you need to at least have 10,000 subscribers or 10,000 followers on your TikTok account. You need to at least be 18 years old. You need to create original content, and then also you need to have at least 10,000 views in the last 30 days. So if you're already have an established account, then you already have access to where you can actually apply to become a part of the Creator Fund. If you're not there just yet, again, remember, focus on building up your audience and post consistently, so that way you can build up your account, meet those requirements, and that way you can be part of the Creator Fund, and you can actually start to earn money directly from TikTok for creating content on their app. Now they are running into like a few roadblocks right now, but again, this has just launched. So, you know, every company or every company or business is going to have growing pains. So as soon as those things get worked out, I think everything will run smoothly. But in the meantime, keep growing your accounts. And any of the strategies that I shared in this video, you must have a large audience of people. So continue to focus on building your audience and putting out content every single day. Now the next one is cross promoting of your social media channels. So if you're on multiple social media channels, you want to make sure that you are linking those accounts onto your TikTok. With TikTok, the reach over there and actually reaching a lot of people is crazy over there, right? And you can reach a lot of people in a short period of time. So why not create content on TikTok and then tell people to actually connect with you on your YouTube, on your Instagram, and things like that. When you start to do that, you can actually start to earn more money, because especially if you have a YouTube channel, you can earn money through YouTube AdSense, or maybe you are actually promoting products through affiliate marketing or through your own e-commerce store on YouTube. So what you can do is you can build up your audience on TikTok, and in your bio include all your social media channels, so that way somebody can go to like maybe your YouTube channel, watch more of your content, they'll build that relationship with you through your video content, and they can actually purchase anything that you're promoting on those additional channels. And the last one is TikTok as a service. So what you can do with this is, if you already have knowledge and you know how to build TikTok accounts into the hundreds of thousands really fast or something like that, then offer your services to other online entrepreneurs, business owners, and things like that as well. Now this is a form of freelancing. This is kind of like what I've talked about before on this channel, is how I also earned some of my first money online, was by selling my skills and my knowledge. So if you know how to build up TikTok accounts so that way they can reach more people and things like that, offer your services for sales so that way you can do this. Now also what you can do with this particular strategy is you can also create a social media agency, pretty much, where you not only build up a company's TikTok account, but you can also build up their YouTube account, their Instagram account, and things like that. And you can use a website called v.io, and what you can do is you can take one piece of content and you can actually leverage that and create smaller pieces of content, so that way you can repurpose that same video or those same images on multiple platforms. Again, it's called v.io, and this is something that you can use to help you build a social media agency and also create content on TikTok for these particular businesses. Now, if you want to learn how I'm actually making money online, and it's actually my best way to make money online, especially with affiliate marketing, go underneath any of my videos, including this one. And what you want to do is you want to click on this link here, and it will take you to my #1 way that I make money online with affiliate marketing. So in this video, I share with you 6 ways that you can actually make money with TikTok. So if you found this video helpful, let me know in the comment section below. And then also, let's comment our usernames below as well. Let's go ahead and help each other grow on this platform. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on the next video.